Almost every girl wonders if there is anything they can do to make the hair grow faster. You must be thinking, can dietary changes grow hair faster? Do any products help? What about medications? According to the American Academy of Dermatology, people are born with around 5 million hair follicles. Of those, your scalp has about 100,000 follicles. Lush, long and thick hair is nearly every girl's dream. But pollution and the constant use of styling ingredients and colorants damage your hair and make it thin, weak, and dry. This can also cause hair breakage. Going for a hair spa treatment might seem like the only way to improve your hair, but with small changes to your routine, maintaining thick and healthy hair can be effortless. Hair grows from the root at the bottom of a hair follicle under your skin. The blood in the scalp goes to the follicle and provides nutrients and oxygen to the hair root, which helps to grow your hair. As your hair grows, it will push through the skin and pass by an oil gland. Research suggests, it's the oil from this gland that makes the hair soft and shiny. The following are 12 simple tips for maintaining your hair regularly. Number 1. Take a balanced diet. Specific vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids play a key role in providing your body with essential nutrients that are needed for hair growth. This includes biotin, vitamin D, iron, vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc. According to a study, taking omega-3 and omega-6 supplements for 6 months may help protect against hair loss. Lower zinc level may play a definite role in hair loss. So, load up your diet with zinc to prevent hair loss. Also, biotin improves your hair health significantly. Number 2, egg treatment. You can use the entire egg to condition your hair. If you've got dry or brittle hair, you can use egg whites to moisturize your hair. Use half a cup of egg mixture and apply to clean, damp hair. Rinse with cool water, after leaving it for 20 minutes. Number 3, protect your hair. Always try to protect your hair from the wind, sun, and rain. Exposing your hair to excessive pollution, sun, and heat adds to your already existent hair woes. These can lead to dirt buildup, drying out of hair and scalp, and elevated susceptibility to infections on the scalp. You can try to cover your hair with an umbrella or a hat. Number 4, explore essential oils. Essential oils not only smell pleasant, but they may also help promote hair growth. According to a study, a daily dose of 400 milligrams of pumpkin seed oil in capsule form resulted in an increase in hair growth in men. Study found that peppermint oil showed significant increase in dermal thickness, follicle number, and follicle depth. Research has also shown that rosemary oil could also be even as effective as minoxidil. Number 5, don't use too many products and chemicals. Avoid using too many products on your hair. While there are certain products you may need to use, such as shampoo, conditioner, and serum, but try to avoid bottled hair products as much as possible. Also, overuse of chemical shampoos and conditioners can make your hair dull and dry. Number 6, try caffeine treatments to grow hair. If you're trying to grow your hair longer, caffeine is a really excellent ingredient. According to dermatologists, caffeine not only helps stimulate blood flow to your scalp, but it also counteracts DHT, the responsible hormone for hair loss. Number 7, load up on conditioner to avoid hair breakage. Your conditioner can be your best friend when you are trying to grow your hair fast. According to a study, you should moisturize your hair every single time you get it wet in the shower. For improving your hair health, load up on conditioner, which helps replace the lipids and proteins inside the hair shaft as well as seal the outer cuticle. Basically, it's your first form of defense against hair damage that threatens your long hair goals. Number 8, do not brush wet hair. Wet hair is 3 times weaker and thus more likely to break. It is recommended that first you should towel dry your hair and then gently detangling the hair using a wide tooth comb. When you detangle wet hair, start from the bottom and slowly work your way up. Number 9, let your hair air dry itself instead of using a blow dryer or hot rollers. Allow your hair to air dry. Using an artificial mode of hair drying techniques may make your hair more brittle and dry. Number 10, brush and detangle hair gently. Obviously combing your hair is essential, but just keep in mind that aggressive brushing can cause physical damage to your hair. Also, be especially careful when your hair is wet. It is more susceptible to breakage. We often instinctually brush from the scalp down, but that just pushes small tangles into one large knot and may cause you to lose hair. Instead of using a janky comb, reach out for a natural boar bristle brush, which helps gently distribute your scalp's natural oils down the hair shaft. Number 11. Be careful with heat. When it comes to making a healthy hair care routine, make sure to use a heat protectant to prevent hair damage and breakage. If you want to promote a healthy scalp and prevent dry hair or split ends, apply heat tools sparingly. Excess heat too often can lead to damaged hair, and eventually your hair won't revert back to its natural state. Also, excessive or improper use of heat can lead to brittle hair, breakage, dryness and split ends. Number 12. Do a scalp massage. A scalp massage can help promote relaxation and relieve stress. And also, according to a study, it may also help to boost the health of your hair, as it may help dilate blood vessels beneath the skin. This, in turn, may lead to stronger, thicker hair that's less likely to break off or become damaged. Main thing to remember is, you need to have patience because overnight your hair will not become healthy. But you can change your hair care routine to make sure your hair is as healthy as possible. These are the 12 remedies for getting beautiful hair. Did you like it? Let us know in the comment. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you, have a good day.